Hey y'all, what's going on? Welcome, Kiana here from Duke's Designs and Creations. Currently, I'm in my classroom, taking a little break, so I decided to go ahead and film my intro to my unboxing video that I did. I did the video yesterday, and you'll see it in the next clip. It is an unboxing from some items that I got from the Blingg Boutique, from Miss Felicia, the Bling Queen, in Texas. She's in Texas. So yeah, so we're gonna hop on over to that video. We're just building this YouTube channel, so if you're new, which I'm sure you probably are, go ahead and like and subscribe. I'm doing my best to crank out some new videos and become consistent over here on YouTube. So go ahead, click that like button, subscribe button, and the bell notification so you can get notified when I upload a new video. All right, let's hop into this package and see what I got. All right, guys, I got my package from the Blingg Boutique, and we are going to open it up. You know what? The UPS has been playing with my emotions. Felicia shipped this on the 10th, and I just got it today on the 22nd. Oh my goodness, but I'm so glad I got it. So let's hop in and see what's inside. Got some yellow rhinestones, 3mm. Oops. Shouldn't have opened it. I spilled rhinestones in the box. All right, what else? Got some more pink rhinestones, and I love how she packaged them because it is filled to the rim, like all the way to the top. All right, let's see, what do we have next? All right, y'all, let's see what's inside. I believe it is my tumbler kit. There were so many things sold out by the time I got on the website, but I was able to snag one kit. But honestly, it really doesn't matter what color you get because everything from her shop is fabulous. So let's open it up and see what's inside. All right, I love how it's packaged. It's so nice and secure, so it's not damaged in shipping. Got the straw. And then the reusable container with tumbler kit on the lid. Got the wax pen and business card, glue and the bottle for the glue, and then the white rhinestones. And I can honestly use any color, but I got the white cup. And then there's the rhinestone tray. Oh my goodness, it's so awesome.